Okay, welcome back. Now we are going to talk about one of the most key elements of search engine, the types of SEO that you can actually do. We've established the fact that you should be following Google's guidelines, and I've also given you the link. Just go to Google, type in Webmaster Guidelines, and you should be able to get the guidelines. Once you do that, we move on to the next stage, which is what kind of SEO? Where do I start, right? Those are some of the questions that creep into the mind when you're starting off. Fret not, I'm here to help you. First step is to ensure that you get the content on your website right. How do we do that? There is something called On-Page SEO. That is on-page search engine optimization. How do we do that? Well, if you have some piece of content that you're creating for your website, let's say it's a blog post, obviously you'll have to research, understand what people are looking for, and then find out what search queries would people actually use. And then it's very simple. Implement those search queries as a part of your content. And I'm going to list you a few things where that keyword needs to be placed very strategically. And if you did that well, your on-page SEO will be very good. And believe it or not, on-page SEO carries humongous weight. It can have a big positive impact on your overall Google ranking. So I'm going to take you one step at a time within on-page SEO. Once we do that, we are slowly going to transition into something called off-page SEO. You might have the most beautiful, most useful content in the world, but if that content is not seen by people, if it's not distributed to the right target, then that content is going to sit there on your website. Nobody comes to your website, nobody engages. That's a loss. Instead, in off-page SEO, which is the next step, I'm going to teach you how to take that beautiful content that you worked so hard for and really promote it in the right channels to the right target audience so that you will get a ton of traffic, not just any traffic, but the most relevant traffic that will love your content and they'll come back for more. That's off-page SEO. And last but not the least, I'm going to take you through something called blended results. Now, when you go to Google, for example, you do a search for email marketing or how to do email marketing. You're going to get results that are both text, which is nothing but blogs. Then you're going to get some YouTube videos or other websites videos. Also, you're going to get a bunch of images. You see, it's a blend of text, videos, as well as images. Google has come up with this amazing concept that not everybody is going to be excited by text or text alone. So to cater to the different needs of people, for some people who are more visual in terms of learning, who prefer to watch a video and learn, and so on and so forth, Google shows these blended or mixed results. I'm going to show you exactly how to optimize your website and your content on other websites, like when you create a YouTube video, how to optimize that. You click a beautiful picture, how to optimize that and upload it to flickr.com, for example. All of these are going to play a role in the Google search results. LinkedIn, for example, if you're going to be a search engine optimizer and you want to be known as the SEO expert, you can target that keyword, SEO expert, and optimize your LinkedIn profile for that keyword, and you could rank for that on Google. Very interesting times, don't you agree? You can learn to rank not just for your website content, but also other people's websites content as well. On-page SEO, off-page SEO, blended search results optimization. Very important things to learn as a part of search engine optimization. Stay tuned. You're going to learn step by step of each of these.